I'm sending this video to you because I have the Tronxy Xy2 Pro dual extruder. So you're hearing that, okay? It seems that when it does a Z hop, or I think it's called a Z hop, this extruder is quite fine. It's quiet. But this one is making a noise, as you can hear it right there. Okay. I'm just curious to know why that is. I'm not sure what's going on. It's tight. It's snug. Oh boy. See, you can hear it though. And at nighttime when I'm sleeping and I'm doing a different project, that's the first thing that wakes me up is that noise. See? There you go. So if you can please send me an email on how to fix this up. It's quite loud. And at nighttime it gets quite kind of annoying. So if you can please let me know what the problem is, why I'm getting this extrusion noise. That's fine. That'd be great. This one again is quiet. I thought the noise was coming from here, because whenever we would do a hop, I would hear that noise. But it ends up being that I think it's this one over here. See? So, but the noise is coming from there. So I'm not sure why that is. Right now that one is being used. But I think sometimes when this one is being used as well, when this extruder is being used, I think I heard the noise there before. But why is that? Because this one over here is quite quiet. It's very quiet. I'm doing a print job and it's going up and down, up and down. See? It's quiet. But this one, not so much. You know, again, it seems like when it does the Z hop, it's making that noise. So please let me know. Take care.